Many students of sculpture believe that the magic happens when the clay goes on and the forms begin to emerge. But nothing can be further from the truth. Creating great sculpture is very much like creating great architecture. The foundation and the framework have to be built first, and it must be strong and contain the necessary landmarks in order to achieve aesthetic success and, more importantly, evoke emotion. This tutorial is about setting up the mannequin frame correctly, what we call the backstory. Plotting out the proportions on paper first, constructing the armature, and all the knowledge about maintaining those essentials. Discover through pattern recognition the common threads that unite all things figurative. What the masters knew, the higher levels of awareness, through line of action, balance, compositional balance, narrative, blocking in the movable masses, all omnipotent factors in setting up the armature correctly and making your work stand out. It's about making the right creative decisions in everything that happens after you build the armature.